The best girls' night out. Go back up, go back up. Go back up, let me get the model. Come down, come. Yeah, walk, come. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Right there, so.
The people are no.
We're living our best nightlife.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. You guys are just wake up. You see my face? Everybody have just wake face. Look at this face.
Good morning,
Can't
guys.
tell he just wake up, don't
Yes,
it?
it's the morning. It's almost 9 a.m. and it feels good to wake up after 8.
Yeah, it does.
It does.
It does.
You enjoy your long week at school and walk out and walk and do everything and just come in the weekend and just say,
No, I'm not saying who, because the amount of things that I have to do in my head. This morning I woke up 5 o'clock when I heard Sarah cry and go back into the bed, and I catch myself thinking about all the things that I have to do and how I'm gonna start doing them this morning, and I have to say, no, Mel, shake out of it, stop thinking, go to sleep.
step by step. First things, green juice. Second things.
I'm like, no, Mel, stop thinking, and try and sleep. So I fell back asleep. So I'm here making green juice for Sarah and Tyler because Sarah is coughing a lot. Yes, Sarah?
It's yellow.
Yes, it's yellow. It soon come back. The TV screen is yellow. It soon come back. Her little expression, Mama, where's the pups? It soon come back, okay?
Okay.
Voila!
Mama, it's tea.
Yes, it's cheese. So I'm making green juice. I already did. So the kids can try.
I need to mark my water.
Haven't drink any water. Anyways, you guys, green juice. First thing on the agenda this morning. If you guys wondering what's in the green juice, if you're first time to the channel and has never seen me make green juice, I have apple, cucumber, celery, ginger, and lemon. And normally on a regular basis I would make this every morning, but I haven't been making it a lot lately. So
I want it up.
You want it up?
A yellow one.
You want the yellow one? Voila. It's yellow here.
What is the yellow? Oh.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Wait, come sit up here. Where you wanna sit? Come, don't do that. So they're drinking the green juice. You guys will see them in a bit. One is right there. The other one is down there. Green juice time.
Let's do. You're going to need to be able to go there and take something. So much. And if you eat so much crap there. I would like a double macchiato with some chips and some popcorn and some Skittles and a hot dog and
Yes, Sarah, you're finished?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. What do you want to eat?
Crepe.
You want crepe?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Mama. She said she wants crepe. Seems like I need to make crepe tomorrow.
we didn't start.
Mama, this was that.
Started at 1.
Mama, it's
But another one needs to be tonight. And then I'm gonna jump right into the calendar of the day. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Come say good morning to Faves. Come. Look, see Faves there. Look. Your nose. Mama need to suck out your nose. Come here. I'm gonna suck your nose later before I left here. Don't do that. Ty, don't do that. You're too funny. Go catch him, Sarah. Catch him. But look at him. He's on his sister own and his sister is on his. Ride. Ty, go. Go, Sarah, go.
Baby, I'm parking.
You have to hold it properly. Hold it properly. Hold the handle. As you see me, I'm in robe all morning. It's after midday, about 3 p.m. right now. And I'm making dinner. I'm making dinner early because I'm heading on the road. I'm heading out to paint the town red tonight. Just kidding. I'm just going to the movies with my friends. So I want to make dinner and eat before I head out. Not eat a lot, but make sure I have something in my stomach before I head out. And I have so much homework to do, it's crazy. So I have been doing homework and editing all day at my desk. So I'm going to make dinner so I can get that out my way. What's on my menu for today? I'm making salmon, and then I'm going to make broccoli and mushroom with some cream, and then I'm going to do pasta. So that's gonna be for dinner. So when everybody ready for dinner can be ready and I won't have to be rushing to get out of this house. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. Can I help you?
I just wanted to say hello to Fee.
Okay, so say hello to Fee with your step. They can't see you.
Hello, Fee.
Hello, Fee.
Wagwan, Fee.
Wagwan, Fee.
Mama. Stop.
Stop
Mama,
what?
I have a new Naruto card and I found it in my room.
Okay. Good for you.
Me to show it to you. A new Naruto card.
Oh, Lordy. What do you want? Wow. What do you want? You want color? What color? What color do you want?
Showing it to Fee.
My daughter says she wants color. I don't know what she wants color to do.
Mama's light is blocking the photo.
That's fine, Ty.
Where's this?
Let's see it now. Yes, no, Ty's a big Naruto fan. Big Naruto fan.
And can I show them what I did yesterday?
Yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Okay. You told them where you went yesterday?
I went to Ez.
Tyler went to Ez, a city close by here.
In real, it's not a city.
Absolutely beautiful.
In real, it's not a city, it's a village.
A village. Tyler says not a city, it's a village. A little village. But it's very pretty. We went there when Tyler was about 3 years old.
And I really go there. And Mama, tell us how many countries I went.
Faves, no, you're a little traveler. Faves been to every country you've been to because we take them there. So
What?
so they
Pigs
know.
is not alive.
Of course, Faves is alive. Faves are different people watching us. So what do you mean you're not alive?
So everybody watching us
Because-
named Faves,
Right.
right?
We just call them Faves. Cause you know what Faves mean?
What?
It's short for favorite people. Cause they're my favorite people. That's why I call them Faves.
So what happened if there's a person that you don't know?
I don't know a lot of them. We don't know a lot of them. For example, just like how we did know Auntie Ottie and then we meet her when we go to New York. Just like how we did know Auntie Priscilla and then we meet her. A lot of them that we didn't know.
What? Not Auntie. So how we meet Auntie Priscilla?
When we went to New York, we just meet up.
So normally we needed to meet up.
What you mean if we needed to meet up? I
It's
don't
like
understand.
you saw her and
We talk on YouTube and then we became friends and then we met in person. Understand?
Yes.
Right. So a lot of you remember when we went to Jamaica and then we meet a lot of the faves? And when we went to New York and we met a lot of the faves?
Yes.
Right, it's like that. Sarah, 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 Sarah. Sarah? Yes, Mama. You don't cry for things that is not yours, okay? The card belongs to Tyler. Listen, the card belongs to Tyler, so if you want it, you say, Tyler, please.
Please.
Right, you don't cry for it and scream. You don't do that. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Give it back to Tyler and say, Tyler, please, can I have your card?
Please.
Right.
Yes, Sarah.
Anyway, guys, I am seasoning up the salmon so that it can go in the air fryer.
Just put it.
Look at my hot dates. Look at my hot dates. Hotties. Watch her hide. Hotties. Hotties. No, sir. Hottie them nice band. Alright, what am I getting? You guys, look where we are. Starbucks. Carrot cake. Alright. I think it's my chance to finally choose something different from coffee. Let me take coffee.
Pocket. I don't understand it, just bread.
These bad influence people at Starbucks. We are at we're out living our best life. Listen to me. We're having so much fun. Look at her. Hi, pretty, pretty. We're having Starbucks. Can you imagine bad influence? And we're gonna get popcorn still. We're still going for the popcorn.
You can go movies and not have popcorn. Extra large.
Isn't that
The same. So Monday,
where did I
Monday's in the
put my
ball.
movie ticket? No, it's in my pocket.
It's in your pocket. So what?
Go get it.
Alright, do you want me to
What
get
did you
wait?
take?
You said the lunch. And I'm going to get the popcorn. Have you not had anything to drink for? So you're getting your drink.
Ah, you said the dragon mango?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Okay, so the popcorn.
Wait, we were the last customers?
That's why you were selling it to her.
We'll serve it. We'll pay lava. Popcorn and candy. No sucre. Pas sucre. Candy.
So you didn't have this. So the popcorn come out with
Oh, my popcorn. Come on, hold up the popcorn and the thumbnail this.
So with the popcorn and everything else? You're telling me the popcorn.
Alright, see there? Right there, so.
Hello? Why you never stick with
Sure, me miss them dancing this couple.
No, I can't want people end up in a fight.
No? The best girls' night out. So go back up, no, go back up. Go back up, let me get the model. Come down, come. Yeah, walk, come. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Right there, so.
People are no.
We're living our best nightlife. Going up to our kiddos. We had too much fun. You guys, review on the movie. Tell them review on the movie. Come.
It was amazing.
Danny, review.
10 out of 10.
Listen, must watch. Must watch. The Woman King was lit. Every cent worth it. Worth it. My favorite actress, there is no way I could have missed this movie. And this is the first of many movie dates, right? Girls?
Yes.
I love the encore, yes.
Probably in winter jackets, but
I know, right? You guys, is your Tashika sexy?
yeah, me know.
Not to mention Daniel, come look on them. Let me take out my dress in them and put it back in and watch him in a jeans. Me never get the memo, but the next time
Mommy of three out here. Mommy of three.
me I get the memo next time.
Mommy of three.
No girl, then too nice. 990 in a knee stone. I'm alone in a pants. They never give me the memo, but that's for them steer. They might communicate without me. They might communicate, but next time I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna come out next time.
Yes, man.
When I hear girls dates, always dress up.
Of course.
Me, I gonna come out.
Of course.
Me should have followed me mind and wear what I didn't want to wear, but next time Goody I gonna come out with herself.
Of course.
Then my dress down, comfy tonight. Alright.
I'm comfy.
I saw one of them pan. I saw one of them pan. I saw the two of them up to
It was
man.
our house afternoon.
So when we get the like here babe this week, here babe no, since I start school, every day I put on a new shoes.
No, but
So here babe. So babe say me see what you go on with. Yeah, take your chances. Me say you not carry nowhere, so I'm taking my chances now.
Why she going to school so pretty? Me have to stop her. I have to come and see
She
where I
called
go
me
to
the other morning, me I go school. She said, "I'm school you a go."
No.
Well made.
Well made,
So where you go?
No, not school. She's going.
Anyway, you guys,
No.
I'm heading home. This beautiful lady's taking me home because I can't get no bus at this time of the day.
Oh no.
So,
Not this time of the night.
and I don't want babe to wake up the kids because he would have to wake them up, put them in the car and come for me. Which if Danny didn't drive, then I would have to do that, but Dan's gonna take me home. So I'll see you guys later. I'm just gonna end the vlog right here because I'm sure I'm not gonna pick you guys up when I reach home. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys. Yafi said tomorrow. We'll see you guys tomorrow.